Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to control desktop from remotely, like you are in another site, the other one is same. So you want to control your friend computer, your sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your family and so on in just this video just for education purposes, which is to trying to solve any issues to that remotely desktop, to fix or to download some software and so on. So the most easier stuff and tool to do that, all what you need to do, just open browser, then go press any disk, and here guys you'll just press download for Windows. You just download it and then you will get something like this. You just open it and then you will have this address things to do so. So which is the remote one need to get the address copy for you, so you just copy this one. For example, your friend having this address, you copy it, you just press it here and you will just press enter in order to control it. So it's gonna be like controlling my own computer is gonna be like something like this. You just accept, and in my remote controller there is the controlling stuff and so on. So you can create and you can control the app from the other side. So yeah guys, that's how to do it, and to remote the desktop, how to control your friend remotely in order to solve his issues, his things and so on. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Peace.